Good morning, everybody.
Hello.
This is Dave and I'm Becky. We're with Print and Copy Factory and we're excited to announce that April 1st is our 27th year anniversary and yay! I know, huh? Exciting. Hard to believe. And I usually say I don't look that old, right? I can't be running a business for 27 years. Anyway, I wanted to just tell you how honored we are to be in business as long as we have, and we owe it to you, our customers, and we really want to thank you for being loyal to us and buying local and supporting our local economy. And we thought it would be really fun for customers who spend over $100 with us for the month of April, we are going to send out a wonderful "You Are Awesome" cards that will have a free little thing inside, and this will be giving you a promotion for free notepads. And what that's going to be is a personalized notepad that will have your name if you wanted to use it for just your desk because you're the one that does the ordering, or you can do it as a business notepad. Whatever you decide, is up to you. But we also have an alternative reason why we wanted to do this is that we wanted to send you to our design editor website. We have this fabulous website that we can set up for you, custom for your business, or you can go on and buy something from us on the website. Dave has been spending hours and hours and hours working on designs and making it so that you can pick a design and customize it for your own personal information. So we thought this would be fun to do it with personalized notepads. What you would be getting is 2 notepads with 50 pages each. They're 8.5 by 5.5, and in black and white, just 20-pound bond. Nothing really super fancy, just an opportunity to say thank you. And David, would you like to go and show everybody what the design widget can do and how they can go ahead and take advantage of the offer? And basically, what they're going to be getting is this thank you card in the mail.
It's going to have pretty much step-by-step process about how to go about ordering. I think it's 7 steps, so let's go ahead and just begin with how it works.
Yeah, and you'll get your own custom code too, so your own promotional code. And so we are going to go ahead and open up the website here and show you.
All right, so we actually have 2 different websites. One of them is our just general printandcopyfactory.com website, and then the one you're actually going to be ordering notepads from is createwith.printcopyfactory.com, and this is pretty much what Becky was talking about. It utilizes a bunch of different tools and where you can go ahead and create your own personalized notepads or business cards or whatever it might be.
So basically, when you get to the createwith.printcopyfactory.com, on our homepage, on the landing page, if you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see a little box. Well, you'll see a bunch of products that we offer in the middle of the page and a lot of pictures and stuff. But in the middle there should be a "You Are Awesome" notepad promotion, and you just go ahead and click on that.
And there's a few different options. Becky had mentioned that we had some pre-made templates, such as American flag, the pretty flowers, or the forest one. But if you are interested in making your own personalized one, there is a create your own, which we're going to go ahead and just click on and get going. So right here, you're going to already see that it's an automatic 2 notepads, 8.5 by 5.5, black and white. If you do want to increase, you can definitely do that and on a separate order, but this one, it would just zero out once you enter the promo code. On the bottom, there's a customized order, which is how you go about entering all your information.
So basically, the price is going to show when you're going down the list there, and it's only going to show there just because we use the same pricing structure for other notepads and stuff. So if you wanted to order more, you're more than welcome to do that. It's up to you, but we are going to credit when you enter your promotional code at the end, that will zero out. So.
All right, and let's go ahead and just add some text. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put David's shop.
Oh.
I know. It would help if I could spell my name. And there you go. You can go ahead and make all kinds of adjustments for the fonts, for the size.
That's pretty cool. Isn't this awesome? So off to the left, you can do lots of different stuff. I mean, they can stretch it. Look at that. It's so cool because it shows on the fly. You don't have to refresh the screen on this particular widget, do you?
No, you don't. And you can also add different pictures if you have like a logo or anything like that you wanted to add.
This is really awesome because it takes you to your Facebook page. So if you have all those really cool photos and fun little, what do they call those little quote things, like memes? Is that what little Facebook memes?
The memes.
Memes, yeah, I knew I was saying that wrong.
Though you should be aware that anything you upload is going to be printed black and white. So if you do have some really beautiful, colorful items, just be aware of that.
Would they be able to order these in color if they wanted to?
Oh yeah, certainly.
We could probably have them do that.
Yeah.
So, but you know, our promotion is for black and white, like David said. But if you wanted it in color, just let us know.
Let's go ahead and just add another thing, just to put our address.
Yeah, it's kind of important.
And this is the option to have whether a grid or lines. All right, and let's say that it actually looks nice and like this one. You would go ahead into the top and go finish editing. And you would read our terms and conditions, and it would go ahead and give you a preview of what it's going to look like when it's all finished.
So basically, it's right now it's doing its magic, doing the proof for you. Look at that. So up pops a PDF basically that we will print from. So you're going to really want to go through and make sure that everything's spelled correctly on this. We're not going to touch this. This is the artwork we're going to use when we print. So.
Exactly. And if it all looks good, you just press the I accept the conditions.
And little check mark shows up.
There we go. Continue. And go ahead.
Well, this doesn't have bleeds, right? So
No,
we
it doesn't.
wanted to make this as efficient as possible. So there's no bleeds, meaning that the art is going to have about 1/8 of an inch to the edge. Okay.
All right. And then here's where you would either log in or create your account.
And we really would like you to go ahead and create an account and save your login so that we can track this order for you. That's real important.
Yeah.
And then you can log back in and see how long ago it was when you ordered. You can do reorders. So if you have a company where you want business cards on here and stuff, this is really a great way to see your own account history.
So there's a few different options for whether or not you want to do will call or shipping or delivery. We do offer delivery within the Bellingham area, but you can always call us and make a payment for us to have a shipper you out.
And it's not that much for shipping. I think it was just, we're gonna just stick it into an envelope and pop it in the mail. So the shipping's not much, just a couple dollars, I think, is what we discovered.
And create account.
And then notice here up here at the top where it says welcome David, so you know that you're logged in on your account. That's always nice to see.
All right, now I'm going to just do a pickup will call because I work here. All right, and in the bottom right, right under the order total, you see the enter promo code, which is going to be on the card that we gave you in step 6. And you just go ahead and apply code, and it should, there you go, it makes it 0. And then we proceed. Everything looks good, and then you go ahead and payment complete. There we go. It's all good. And it gives you all the details, all the status, preview of what you're going to get, which you already knew. And we'll go ahead and get in their system. And like Becky said, we run these all on Fridays, so you'll be getting it shortly after that.
Yeah. Well, we're just really excited to have this promotion for you, and we hope you enjoy the notepads and give us some feedback. Once you hit submit, we will be sending you, I'm hoping, a survey to see how you liked the experience, if there's anything that we can improve on the website, because we're always looking to improve everything to make it just easy for you to do business with us, of course, right? We want to help and support you as much as we can, and we're just delighted again to be celebrating 27 years in business. And thank you everyone we're in such gratitude for all of the business that you've given us over the years. So I hope we have another 27 years in front of us. Thank you very much, David, for all your help, and we look forward to seeing you the month of April.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.